Good morning, students. Now today we are going to start our next topic, which is activity 4.9. Okay, light a candle, keep one hand above the flame and one hand on the side of the flame. Here you can see in figure 4.10 that one candle is lit up. Now what you have to do, you have to keep one hand above the flame above the flame and one hand on side of the flame. Do your hands feel equally hot? If not, which hands feel hotter and why? Okay, now it's asking the question, do both the hands feel equally hot, and if not, which hands feel hotter and why? And while you handling this, keep your hands at a safe distance from the flame so that they do not get burnt. You probably feel the hands above the flame should feel hot, and the hands in the sides of the flame does not feel as hot as the top. Okay, why? Okay, you have seen the people living in the coastal areas. What is coastal areas? You know, the areas which is having sea is known as coastal areas. Okay, so what happened, the people living in the coastal areas experience an interesting phenomenon during the daytime. The land gets heated faster than the water. The air over the land becomes hotter and rises up. The cooler air from the sea rushes in towards the land to take its place. The warm air from the land moves towards the sea to complete the cycle. Okay, the air from the sea is called the sea breeze. To receive the cooler sea breeze, the windows of the houses in coastal areas are made to face the sea. At night, it is exactly the reverse. Here you can see the figure of sea breeze and land breeze in figure 4.11. Okay, the water cools down more slowly than land, so the cool air from the lands move towards the sea. This is called land breeze. Figure 4.11, you can see land breeze and sea breeze. Okay, when we come out in the sun, we feel warm. How does the heat from the sun reach us? It cannot reach us by conduction or convection, as there is no medium such as air is most of the part of space between the earth and the sun. There is no medium to heat to reach to us, neither by conduction nor by convection it reaches to us. You see, only the medium between the earth and sun is most of the part is covered with air only. Okay, from the sun the heat comes to us by another process known as radiation. The transfer of heat by radiation does not require any medium. It can take place whether a medium is present or not. When we sit in front of a room heater, we get heat by this process. A hot utensil kept away from the flame cools down as it transfers heat to the surroundings by radiation. Our body too receives heat to the surroundings and receives heat from it by radiation. Okay, so all bodies radiate heat. When this heat falls on some object, a part of it is reflected, a part is absorbed, and a part may be transmitted. The temperature of the object increases due to the absorbed part of the heat. Why do you advise to use an umbrella when you go out in the sun? To get protected from the sun, as we know this method of heat by the medium of radiation, it reaches us, so that umbrella will protect.